What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV. This video is all about sending your trade-in phone to OnePlus. I'm specifically doing it for the OnePlus Open phone. I'm gonna keep that phone. I'm gonna trade in a Pixel 7 Pro that I no longer need. I'm gonna ship that off and I'm gonna go through the whole process and give you some tips and tricks with it. All right, so the first thing you wanna make sure is that the phone is completely factory reset, which you can see that mine is. You also wanna make sure that the condition that you told them it was in, have it be perfect or with scratches or whatever, is still the condition that it is in at this moment. And you can see mine looks pretty freaking good, even with my puppy close by. It's still very, very safe and it looks great at this point. Now, if you have an old case or the box, I would definitely recommend putting it in there. And also, what I just showed you, I would also record everything about what I'm doing right now. Basically, you're gonna do your own YouTube video, but you're gonna keep it for yourself. And the reason being is if they say that this is scratched or they didn't receive it or it wasn't in the box or whatever it is, you have the video footage. So keep that in mind. Also, like I said, to go back to what I said, I should say, put this in a case of some sort so it's extra protected. You probably don't need the case that it came with, but if you do keep it, just get it to be super protected before you even put it in the box. Now, this is the sheet they emailed me in terms of the return slip and information that I need to put inside the box. You should have this too. If you can't find the email, another way to find it is to go to the OnePlus website, go to your order, and you'll be able to see your trade-in slip that you can download and print off. Also, what you're gonna need is a box. Now, you could probably just use the box that your original OnePlus phone came in, but I'm gonna use I think this is a different box. It might be the same, but ultimately a box, and peel off all the labels from the old box so that you can reuse the box for recycling, obviously, but then also so there's no mix up when they get this and the only labels on here are for your OnePlus phone. So I also put the phone in one of these Ziploc bags, and the reason being is it helps it from being scratched. It's easier to find for them. And it's really, again, for those both things, a little bit of protection and easier to find, and I kind of just wrap it up like that. And then I always wrap it in some kind of bubble wrap because the protection on these things is awesome. It's gonna really protect your phone a lot from all the bumping that it's gonna go around when it's in transit with like UPS or whatever. And I would also tape this together, so get like some packing tape. That way you can keep things a little bit more tidy, especially with the bubble wrap if you're just using like random amounts of bubble wrap all the way around. The packing slip, you actually have to cut it in half and attach the top portion, put that inside of the box. Also, with this top portion, you wanna make sure that you're giving them the same phone that you said you were and that it's working and all of that. Now with this, I'd probably put it on its side on here so it's easier for them to find, and also because of the fact that you don't want them to cut it off or cut it open when they're setting everything up and cutting open the box. And then take the box up, which this one is pretty wide right now because of the fact that I had all that bubble wrap in there. At this point, you want to take the shipping label and attach it to the outside of the box. Make sure you take a picture of the shipping label so it's easy for you to remember and bring up in case you need to track it. So there you guys go. That is how to make sure everything's safe and secure and how to do it, sending it off to OnePlus to make sure that they receive it. Also, you might want to record you actually handing it off to a UPS or FedEx location. You also might want to get a receipt, so when you give it to them, get the receipt that it's actually in their hands. There you guys go. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road.